नमस्कार मु ज्योतिरंजन ब्रह्मा आपको स्वागत करुच्ची मेट्रो टीवी को। आज मो सहित अच्छा ओडिशार यूथ आइकन ओडिशार डायमंड कहले अत्युक्ति हेनी। ओडिशार गोटे छोटिया जगार कटक कटक पर मुंबई मुंबई नामी दामी हस्ती सहित काम करथिबा डीओपी मनोज कुमार मो सहित अच्छा सार को स्वागत करवा मेट्रो टीवी को।
थैंक यू
सर उड़ीसा से लेके मुंबई कैसा सफर रहा सर?
बहुत अच्छा है सफर।
तो अभी सर जैसे आप बहुत सारे हाई प्रोफाइल मतलब हस्ती के साथ हाई प्रोफाइल जैसे अमिताभ बच्चन या शाहरुख खान के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, तो सर जैसे आप करियर आपका स्टार्ट किए थे तो कैसे था सर करियर?
It's a long journey for me. It's been started 17-18 years back. After pass out from film school, I think I was straight to Bombay. And I've been grown up from my assistant to till date in that industry, and I learned lots of parameters you can say in the technique wise, the how to deal with so many things, not only the shooting behind the camera. So all kind of atmosphere like in a filmmaking that we been grooming from zero to till date. So yeah.
जैसे उड़ीसा में आपका मतलब कैरियर शुरू हुआ था, उसके बाद कटक और कटक से मुंबई, तो आपका पहला मूवी कौन था जहां से आपका मतलब वहीं से आप आगे बढ़ते गए और पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखे?
तो स्ट्रेट जब फिल्म स्कूल से मैं गया तो आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर माय क्यू दैट बिकॉज आई वाज वेरी कीन टू वर्क विद वेरी स्पेसिफिक कैमरामैन. And I keep on hammering them ki I want to join you, I want to assist you, because that time there's no mobile, nothing. But unfortunately that time it was not so easy to get through also. But I got go ahead ki, and they told me okay, you wait for some time, if somebody vacancy will let you know. But I was constantly been keep my interest to that ki I want to assist you, sir. So that was KU Mohanan.
Okay.
So I got my first go ahead in 2006. So by the time I was doing little bit of operating work to make some money to run myself. So that was my journey started as a proper film crew type.
Okay.
So and that onwards I was with him assistant, then became associate, and my journey is with him. I'm sorry. I be very frank that I'm glad that he was my mentor, because he's a fantastic cinematographer as well, a good human. So from him we learned how to handle the big situations, small situation like an advertisement film. But same time, when you are working, you are not only working as a cameraman, you are working with so many different people. Okay. In the set, there's a producer, the director, the art director, the costume designer. So how to interact, how to get your job done in a nicer way, in a friendly atmosphere, and that's a really task, because every person has their own individual way of expressing and own individual way of talking to each other. Since I'm from Orissa, my language might be the beginning little barrier for me to get through those, but honestly that never give me any kind of problem in my thing. So I was very no child on the set. Okay. So whoever wants to do anything to I was the first person to jump. So excitement रहता है no, when you are working with such big humble people around you, then you started learning everything. It's not that I'm a cameraman, I'm an assistant cameraman, I don't want to do that job. I just want to do, okay, you want to correct few things, I'll do that. So your interest might be give you a kind of aspect to other things, to people should think, no, he's good, let him do that, encourage him, don't discourage. So that way my grooming with sir, it was so good. So when I became independent, I never find a problem in my in journey. Whatever the situation comes, we know exactly, okay, ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है, so we can handle it. So that period of time, the learning itself as well as you are growing, the both the things, I got so much depth in every aspect. Like the kind of person who was surrounding me, that makes me like no so humble that ki okay, you have to be patience.
अभी सर आपके मतलब इंस्पायर, जैसे आप यहाँ से कैरियर शुरू करके वहाँ पे गए, इंस्पायर किसको देंगे, जैसे इनके लिए मैं आगे बढ़ा या इनके लिए मैं यहाँ तक पहुँचा हूँ?
I think इसके उसके लिए first thing you have to self love, because without your interest nobody can push you.
ओके,
वो मेरा ये है कि मुझे कुछ करना है, मुझे कुछ बनना है, so that interest should be inside me. And I know like there are surrounding people will help you to think, but I always keep those things that कि मुझे कुछ करना है, and for that I always keep everything side. मुझे बाकी चीज़ में मुझे कोई इतना ये नहीं, but I want to be focused in my career, so that I have to put
सर बॉलीवुड में आप बहुत सारे हस्ती के साथ काम किए
हाँ
हैं,
जी।
ऐसे कौन सा आर्टिस्ट है जिनके साथ काम करने में आपको बहुत मज़ा आता है?
I think that all of them really good. मुझे ऐसा किसी को point out नहीं करना चाहिए कि इनके साथ. See, I told you know every person has a one
हाँ.
different way of expression. So एक को अच्छा के लिए दूसरे को बुरा बोलना वो गलत हो जाएगा. I think for me they all are equal, but might be किसी को बोल सकते हैं मुझे ये एक्टर मुझे सारे अच्छे लगते हैं. I really enjoy all of them. और थोड़े बहुत किसी का टेम्पर खराब हो सकता है, but that does not matter to me at all.
अभी सर आपका अपकमिंग मूवी कौन सा है?
Right now I'm middle of a film with Suraj Barjatia. So that is film name is Unchai, and it's been casting with Mr. Bachchan and Anupam Kher, Boman Irani, and Pariniti Chopra, Neena Gupta, Sarika. It's a quite big cast, and I'm so blessed that I'm working with all legends, and Suraj Barjatia itself a film school. So I think I don't know like how he thought about me and like accept me as a cinematographer. I'm blessed. I'm very happy in that way. Yeah.
अभी सर जैसे बॉलीवुड में आप काम करते हैं और आप उड़ीसा के
हाँ
हैं,
जी।
तो सर मैं उड़ीसा के बारे में कुछ पूछूंगा। जैसे उड़ीसा के बारे में सर कुछ सोचे हैं क्या बॉलीवुड के बारे में, या बॉलीवुड को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए यहाँ पे ऐसे कुछ मौका मिला है या ऐसे कुछ सोचे हैं क्या आप?
फ्रैंकली मुझे तो ऐसा कुछ मौका मिला नहीं है, और इन फ्यूचर मिलेगा तो डेफिनेटली आई थिंक अबाउट इट. बट मुझे एक चीज़ बोलना है, बिकॉज मुझे क्या होता है कि मैं कहीं पे भी बोलता हूँ कि आई एम फ्रॉम उड़ीसा, लाइक नो फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट एंड कल्चर, बट आवर फिल्म्स नाउअडेज रियली नॉट अप टू द मार्क. एंड इसके पीछे क्या प्रॉब्लम है, आई थिंक पीपल शुड थिंक अबाउट इट, बिकॉज एवरी टाइम आई एम डूइंग ए फिल्म, I like the film from Kerala because the kind of content, the kind of subject, the kind of actors. See, I can't blame the actors about it because it's not their fault. The fault might be they're not finding a good script. Might be the director should restructure themselves like with good screenplay writers, the story writers. So those things have to develop. And the kind of music nowadays, it's so pathetic. I don't know where they lost the path. They should go ahead. I think they're going behind somewhere like, and I'm pretty sure like me, other people also have the same problem, but it might be nobody can express where to things are not working. So it is alarming for all the people who are making film here, and I'm not blaming any producers because it's not their fault. Might be they should rethink why they're producing such films if it's not going till national level. You are seeing a film from any part of India, the film's been recognized all over the world, and why the problem with Orissa, the not a single film up to mark?
सर अभी जैसे फोटोग्राफी में बहुत सारे उड़ीसा के बंदे हैं जो आगे बढ़ना चाहते
हाँ
हैं,
जी।
तो उनके लिए क्या सर मैसेज रहेगा और क्या आप बोलेंगे उनके बारे में?
See, I think all of them should keep in mind that nothing can be done in overnight. You have to be patient. You have to be very loyal to your work, and you keep your target very clear that कि करना क्या है life में. So obstacles will be there. You have to find your way to reach there. So patience and the journey should be much smoother. There are problems will come, but does not mean that you should like think okay हो गया मेरे से नहीं होने वाला, I have to give up. The time you should give up, think about give up, the things will come around you like to let's give up. When you think that no, मुझे करना है, I want to do this, might be difficult, but you will find a very narrow path and you realize that okay, everything is possible. It's not.
सर आपको ऐसे लग रहा है क्या, मतलब उड़ीसा में ऐसे बहुत कुछ है या कलाकार हैं जो आगे बढ़ सकते हैं या नेशनल लेवल या इंटरनेशनल लेवल में जा सकते हैं?
ये तो क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ये तो हम तो पता नहीं कौन सी गलती की हुई है, हमको से सजा मिल रहा है. एंड आई एम श्योर लाइक द काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स वी मेड इन प्रीवियस like 80s, and suddenly we have technology, we have everything. I don't know where this kind of film they try to remake here in Orissa, and our culture is like no disappearing. Because when you see a film in Kerala, have you seen they remake a film from Korea? Have you seen they remake a film from somewhere like in Telugu or Tamil? No, because see, you should be very afraid about your own language. It doesn't mean that कि मैं इंग्लिश में बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे ओरिया आता नहीं, मुझे आता है, बट माई प्रॉब्लम इज नाउ मुझे उस चीज़ करने के लिए आई नीड पीपल फॉर द माइंड सेट शुड बी करेक्ट.
अभी सर उड़ीसा में जैसे आप आते हैं,
हाँ जी.
तो आपको कौन से ऐसे जगह है सर जो अच्छा लगता है सर घूमने के लिए या रहने के लिए?
फ्रैंकली मैं उड़ीसा में जब तक लाइक माई बर्थ प्लेस इज तराकोर, वेरी क्लोज टू कोणार्क. So by default, I have I have to come to Bhubaneswar. I'll straight go to my village and I'll go to the sea.
Okay.
So we have a beautiful
location.
So I think उसके बाद तो Konark and Puri somehow like my things are got okay. I'm happy now. I can go back. It give me a piece of reset me myself, and it took some good energy, positive energy, and go back. उसके बाद मैंने आई थिंक दिस पार्ट ऑफ ओडिशा आई हैव नेवर सीन टिल डेट.
अभी सर आपको इंटरनेशनल में भी काम मिल रहा है, वो कौन सा है मूवी जो इंटरनेशनल में आपको मिल रहा है प्लेटफॉर्म, वो थोड़ा बताइए.
नहीं वो क्या है कि इट्स नॉट इंटरनेशनल, इट्स ए प्रोजेक्ट फॉर नेटफ्लिक्स, एंड सिंस नेटफ्लिक्स इज ए इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड एंड बीन स्क्रीन फॉर 200 कंट्रीज, सो might be I'm the lucky one. I got a project with Madhuri Dixit and produced by Karan Johar. It one of the big project for Netflix India also. So that also like when you're working with a series with 3 different director, so I had the same question to 3 of them, why you choose me since there are so many biggies and as long as I know Madhuri Dixit, I shot few commercials. There is another cameraman next to the monitor to monitor the Madhuri shots. So I said ki how it will possible. I know like when we were doing series, they said ki no, nobody will come here. So thank you, like that way I thanks to all my directors. They thought that ki might be a series has a 3 director, but at least we should have a common one person who can be as a continuity to all this 8 episodes. So that's they choose me.
थैंक यू सर, आपसे मिलके बहुत खुशी हुआ.
Thank you very much.
कैमरामैन अभी के साथ ज्योतिरंजन ब्रह्मा, मेट्रो टीवी.
लॉकडाउन जोगु मोबाइल टीवी सांगसाथी आपणक पिलाटीर पाठपढ़ा और भविष्य को नष्ट करिछि कि तेबे आज ही टीएससी गुरुकुल बोर्डिंग स्कूल रे एडमिशन करंतु, जेउठी पाठपढ़ा रहिबा खाइबा सामग्रिक विकास सुविधा उपलब्ध करंतु, जहाँ पुणी मासकु मात्र 5,999 टंका.